Our first step in this cosmic voyage is to understand what makes the Andromeda Galaxy so special. It's the closest spiral galaxy to our own, and it's actually on a collision course with the Milky Way. But don't worry, this collision won't happen for billions of years, giving us plenty of time to appreciate its beauty. Now let's talk about when and how you can observe the Andromeda Galaxy from Earth. It's best seen during the late summer and early autumn months in the northern hemisphere. To spot it, look northeast in the night sky. If you're interested in observing Andromeda through a telescope or binoculars, you'll need some equipment. A good quality telescope with a large aperture and a low magnification eyepiece is ideal. Binoculars can also provide a wide field view of this galaxy. When observing the Andromeda Galaxy, find a dark and clear location away from city lights. Use a star chart or a stargazing app to pinpoint its location. Be patient and allow your eyes to adjust to the darkness for the best view. For those interested in astrophotography, capturing Andromeda is a rewarding challenge. You'll need a camera with manual settings, a tripod, and a tracking mount for long exposure shots. Remember to use a remote shutter release to prevent camera shake. Before we conclude our journey, let's share some fascinating facts about the Andromeda Galaxy. It contains over 1 trillion stars, and it's roughly 220,000 light-years in diameter. Imagine the cosmic wonders hidden within. Well, that wraps up our exploration of the Andromeda Galaxy. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced astronomer, there's always something mesmerizing about gazing into the depths of space. If you've ever observed Andromeda or have any questions, feel free to share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cosmic adventures. Until next time, keep looking up.